betul betul all the teachers and the students looking forward to another weekend of Super Rugby. Na Dean's semi-final. And Vietnamese sa Kotongo Kamatanda. Eleanor.
Good morning to everyone tuning in this beautiful morning from the bus, taxis, minibus, carrier, whatever transport that you're traveling in this morning on your way to work, on your way to school, and we hope that you will enjoy the Ouch Palang show this morning, especially to the students, since you will be sitting for your exam today. Panu ni binaka bekem dikat sara lubenda ni sana tabete kunum ni Peter Rongi Rongoda ngarama sar mga binaka no mitabe na bugi ni Peter Rongi, because after that you will enjoy yourself in the holidays. Kena lagi sarabi ng gito. Ano bugi ni Dean's final.
Tau ke ni makete mai bunindawa Esa Baroko, good morning kayaba namalo. Good morning to you and John Kumar, Dean and Kumar, Inay Niki Senga Mereani Mbulabinaka, Pramen Rasing, and the family of the President Plaza Samambula, Coffee Land family. We say good morning to you and the family.
We say as well to our friend Bernard Chare, who's tuning all the way from San Francisco, California. And to all the NEC family, who are tuning this morning and normally do your work site. Kita sapa ada sila bikin ni and nonton kalau berita ke Ouch Palangi show. And to all the students, school team,
Yes.
For looking forward to the Dean semi-final. Which is happening this weekend. To all the farmers out there tuning this morning. Welcome to Ouch Palangi show.
Yes.
Sama cukup mana betul ningoli salah. Berapa ni basi? Bibi cukup motoloa Tavingu and LT1234 na Black Arrow taxi. Saya kan ngulda bikin mereka ling rabi. And the people in Bula and the hotel workers and the visitors from overseas who may be tuning in this morning from the different hotels around the country. Okay, di kuah Dems, au biar tarong mantangan dona taro.
Tarong nga may kere-kere.
Nangaw na endala mo kina. When we yawn.
Yes.
Natapa baka buna. Baka mo kautika dali simuri. Mai.
That's cause the slackness. Slackness of mood.
Oi.
Enango na laki baka melayo wawale xabi amode. Na no mood baka is about 10.
Boy, ayo sarang
ya. The mood of your life is about 10. So your future is baka may mind na puno ni relax ya.
Baka na point ni relax.
Relax. There is a point of relax so that you can gain energy again to follow, or you want to sleep.
Ayaw sarang Patang lebih kan tentu lama tu kan sini kelar apa? Okay. What happens to the body?
The body is okay.
Okay.
But the connection from the
backbone,
the skull, from the brain, coming down to your mind, together with your mouth. Here, only this turning point from esophagus going up. That's the only where sleeping circulated.
Okay. Eleanor is having a toothache this morning from yesterday till today. Na mosi nimbati Dems. Baka matatang man tanong mosingo.
You know, teeth connects. You know, this is the only part we have to thanks every time.
Neck.
Our neck.
Because
neck connect your head to your heart.
To your body.
To your body. This, if a body without a neck,
it's like
bodiless.
A stilul without a magnet.
It's like a stilul
So
it connects without the butter.
It connects you. So whenever the mouth or something is pain from the teeth, that caused, because they are connected cell that connects to your brain. They are close to your brain. That's why when you have a cut from your leg, you hardly receive that pain to your head.
It goes through the neck.
No, wait. Because they have that their point of recess or point of relax. That's why kung ano kinanggiri mo. If from the leg.
Okay.
May paano ni relax
mo.
May
tarato ko na pressure point.
So when you have a bet, ningon ikombeka kina, it's hardly go to the brain. Elaya babu nanggiri mo ni tabamu. Si mamon lingamu. So when anything past the neck, When something pain from the teeth or the mouth or the ear or the nose or the eye,
Yeah.
the thing can connect to the head because that's a point of relax.
Right.
Okay, wana na bombo de mata tabi na.
Yeah, mata tabi na.
So, talking about the neck.
Ah,
So the neck is the most important part of the body, connecting the what? Head to the body,
yeah, to the head to the
Okay, just look at me, please. Face me.
come.
Face me. I want to see your neck. 3 marks on the neck.
No the remarks. Only the orange apple. The remarks on the neck ngor me mbali rungla.
Maybe of the cold weather, I see 3 marks on the neck.
Yes.
What happened, Messi?
Because Rambo Mboiliku it's Penesa Lamboli. Good morning to Bennett Chare, Jay Ray.
Is
Yeah.
it the bed bug or the mosquito?
It's a mosquito neck.
Anything that has a teeth can cause neck. Mikael Tikolawari, Mula Vinaka, good morning to you and the family this morning. If you see our head,
Yeah.
our skull, it protects what inside.
Right.
But the cell that connect from them to any part of our sense,
Right.
Yes.
that will carry on with our mind.
Don't know.
Yeah.
Right. Okay, what carries the signal from the turning point or the
Yeah.
flash point to the head?
The hormones.
Okay.
The hormones that carries everything.
Right.
They are different kinds of hormone that can carry because they carry different signal to the body. It's
Right.
like this. And in hormone,
Yeah.
they kami toko na kanirere.
Yeah.
Kind of frightened when somebody is frightened.
Yeah.
That's ndo koto toko ya.
Kaya ba ko tanong mo na kasama?
Yeah. Bitaw ka ba na makasama? It's painful. So, bitaw mo makasama.
Yeah.
Then you know that it's painful, eh? Right.
Oh, okay.
Tua turani maniaba. Vela dos from Lautoka, good morning to you, Bibi to Momo Willie, and the staff of the Tangimudi Award joining this morning.
Or bila kami berbeda ka na matang ko. Okay. Do talengo.
Mai.
Ni ko sala ko palimbula, ni ko sember ni dula na matanggali ya lo da bela ko mai me ko tabi ko na baka sama na rere.
Because the stories,
Right.
it's not about what is in front you. It's not about syringe.
Right.
Yeah.
It's about story of people that already come there that they insert into your brain.
Right.
That's the only thing that make you frightened. Because
Afraid.
nothing there is frightening. Orang linga tu orang linga malum, orang linga ni nas. Elinga ni mbula. Elinga ni besireki.
Yeah.
Elinga ni
Bengarabi.
Iya. Elinga ni bengarabi.
Yeah.
So whenever somebody is afraid because he or she had a story or see somebody just came from there
Yeah.
with that kind of look.
Oh, okay. But why did you step the nurse when you were supposed to be looked after when you have the boy?
Because the nurse wants to look into the compound. I said, you are not belong to this compound. If you wants to go, you have a license. Then go.
But the nurse is doing the job.
Yeah.
Doing the job and my,
Why you want to go?
Yeah.
and my mind was wrong.
Yeah, your mind was wrong.
Yeah.
Why you scared of?
I'm scared because she wants to go to the compound and want to see and want to touch. I say, no, nurse.
Maybe the nurse want to cut off something from the compound.
Cut the nerve.
Sabang ko pinasyo sampole may karundon to ba?
Mabangaya tukuno na si may mesana muslim na nerve system ni no mukango.
Iyo pila me mau. Pinakala sa ko nga nambula. Sa isa may baru to yo nasi eni. Nasi eni ko ang karabi maraman niya sengkanga may maduata. Ko ang karabi we nando nanong kutag matong step may balimbula. We sa tukuno ka biya ne me nasi bosota.
Yan rin na katacho, yan ra, yan rin na kamay sote.
Berto ko nga tukuno bi como me vaya. Na camera toda acaba the nurse should have me dulay ko ya.
Iya.
To sleep.
Memode.
Memode.
Magayan ramay.
May gila ko dara kaya documentary ni no nang karabi on temps.
Iya, yan rin sa Madrid too.
Mo de matatalo tagi. Hey, MPO petrol okay 250 259 the gym.
Eu.
Yan binaka dolo
Hey.
bina American Samoa
Tamale,
rabo
tamale.
magi Siliano Penny yan binaka Salome Timothy.
Bula bina lewa boli.
Right.
Oi.
Iyo.
Isa leo
May
boli.
rambi.
Oi.
Dong bula binaka.
Oi, le. Hey, very
Siya ka Penny Sony yan binaka.
Ya dapat sih le berapa matal na matali
Yung bulan na yamasi.
ko na musi nimbati ko ka musi taun dua.
Iya.
Balto ko taun nga bola serangan nonton mona. Ko na vi katuto ko balta nonton bula. E chiko na kena katuto ko na nonton mona.
Lai sama gon yan binaka marmatau. Nai ta takeaways coffee, nai lenga Northland Telebu.
Oi.
Hii.
Naita steak away coffee.
Yawa iyo.
Wani
Katsanga.
mbol laylay. Mbol laylay. Kala sini mindar dianggo.
Wananabu.
Mbol laylay. Wani binaka like hat seta ka don talay na mata binadi kuwa.
Right.
Andang ga iso tatali na mata. Siya nga mbera matak. Pe mamana diwa.
Iyo.
Na sera maawan na vibe su ina na ga iso tatali ni kina. Toka ni toni bing karabi.